Hello viewers, welcome back to Homeo Healing with Harmony, and this is yet another episode, and this will help us dive into the world of homeopathy and holistic health. I'm anchor Rashmi Prabhalingappa, and today we have with us Dr. Anusha, and she is from Homeo Healing by Dr. Anusha Homeopathic Clinic, Bangalore. Namaste and welcome.
Namaste, thank you.
Yeah, so today, ma'am, this is going to be a very interactive session and an episode because I have a couple of questions written, jotted down by our viewers.
Okay.
So they're very serious about our episodes and they have questions. So I'll be reading out all those questions to you.
Sure.
You have to clear it out first.
I'm ready.
All right. So here's the first question. What conditions can homeopathy treat effectively? This one of our viewers has asked.
Yeah, it's not homeopathy can treat almost every conditions, I can say.
Okay.
May it be acute. Acute means like there'll be a kind of fever, viral fevers, or any cold and flu seasons. Nowadays it is very common with the kids.
Right.
Flu is very common. So, and even viral fever, dengue cases, and along with sometimes if it is a bacterial infection or sometimes whenever there is a need for antibiotics also, along with that also we can give.
Okay.
The other thing is that it is one of the best medicine of treatise for the chronic cases.
Chronic.
Like if where the treatment, they are taking treatment since many years but they are not finding recovery, where we help with treating the root cause. So it's not just specific diseases we treat, but we treat the patient as whole, no matter what he is suffering with. May it be a schizophrenia, may it be a psoriatic condition, may it be a cancer as well, or any kind of any other diseases like now we have seen the dengue cases, viral fevers. Right. So any conditions, homeopathy is one of the best medicines I can tell, where you will find which will raise the immunity of the patients.
Okay, so I hope Dr. Anusha ma'am has answered your question. So moving to the next question, we have another viewer who has asked, are homeopathic remedies safe and do they have side effects?
Of course, homeopathic medicines are very safe and it doesn't have any side effects because we administer medicines for pregnant ladies as well and very small kids. Maximum patients we have is children, pediatric cases. So it is one of the best medicine and safest medicines I can say because it acts at a cellular level.
Right.
So it doesn't have a materialistic dosage that will cause a kind of any other side effects like heartburn or any other conditions. But it is very safe and it acts very effectively.
Okay, so answering to your question, so moving to the next one, how do homeopathic remedies differ from other remedies or treatments?
So what happens is there are every mode of treatise, may it be allopathy, may it be Ayurveda, Yoga, Siddha, Unani, it has got its own way of treatment. Likewise in homeopathy we have a basic, the principle which we follow is similia similibus curantur. Means like cures the like. This is the principle on which homeopathy was founded, laid on his principles. So here what happens is when the patient, we treat the patient mainly holistically.
Right.
So a rather than more of symptomatic approach, we treat the patient holistically. So including his mind state as well, along considering each and every aspect of his life, like the past history, present history.
Right.
Any, if she's a woman, like we take obstetric history as well. Okay, so considering each and everything into case taking, we give a medicine, only one medicine. We call it a similimum.
Okay.
That own medicine, that's one medicine, constitutional remedy, what we call. It has a capacity to treat any condition he suffers in his lifetime.
All right. So I think ma'am has answered your question very perfectly. So moving to the next question, there's a person named Raju and he is asking, what should I expect during my first homeopathic consultation? And he's talking about his hair loss problem.
So one thing, Raju, so first for visit, when you come to visit me, so you should have first patience because I am going to deal with complete case taking. It's not just a superficial symptoms I take, but also the symptoms along with your complete case history. Like it includes the past history, it includes the family history, your personal history, like how about your appetite, bowel movements,
Right,
which is
right.
very crucial because to know the metabolism, to know about his sleep cycle. If it is a female patient, we'll have to know about obstetric history, menstrual history.
Correct,
Okay.
correct.
And along with that, if the patient is having any hereditary disorder in the family, running the family, so we'll have to consider each and everything along with the physical examination. So ultimately, that's very important aspect of in any treatment. So physical examination is needed to rule out the cause. Like if not, with the Raju has hair fall, I guess, no? He has hair
Yes,
fall.
yeah, that's what he's mentioned.
So if any patient comes with a pain in abdomen or anything, so we'll have to examine why your pain is coming, in which quadrant of abdomen pain has.
Okay.
So depending on that, we'll have to take a detailed case history. So if you come to my clinic, so minimum I'll spend 20 minutes for you, Raju, to know about what you are as a whole. So why you're suffering with this condition. So to rule out the root cause and find, treat you holistically. So this is what the homeopathy holds different from other system of treatments.
Absolutely correct. And Raju sir, I hope you've got your answer here, and you can come and consult, take the consultation online or offline, and the number is displayed right on the screen. You can check out. For more details, contact Anusha madam as soon as possible.